7 tips to bring the spark back to your marriage. It's easy to say that you'll never be the couple who stops loving each other or loses passion in your marriage. But as time goes on and life becomes more demanding, you may find yourself one day realizing that the passion or attraction isn't what it used to be. Hi, I'm Monica for Family Today, and if you're looking for ways to bring the spark back to your marriage, we hope these 7 tips will be just what you need. Number 1, do something you've never done before. Go somewhere new for a weekend getaway, or try doing something new in your own home. It may feel uncomfortable or awkward at first, but if it's something new for both of you, then it'll break down some walls that you've built up with routine. Number 2, buy a new outfit. This doesn't have to be something sexy, just something that you feel good in. This simple act can boost your confidence and can also be a great surprise for your spouse. Number 3, hold out your kisses longer. When you normally would pull away quickly from a kiss, hold it just a little bit longer. If your spouse is the one pulling away, just hold their face to let them know you want them in that moment. Number 4, have sex more often. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of a relationship. When it feels like you've become stuck in a rut or a routine, mix it up. Be open with your spouse or partner with what turns you on and what doesn't turn you on. Again, open communication is key in any marriage. In the spirit of being vulnerable and honest with your spouse, it's also important that you both initiate intimacy. If only one partner is initiating sex, the other might question if you really want to be with them in that relationship. Number 5, compliment each other. Remember how it felt when you were first dating? He told you that you looked beautiful in that dress, or she told you that you had perfect hair. You felt like you were on top of the world, right? Don't forget the awesome power of complimenting your spouse, but always be honest and real with what you say. Number 6, take care of yourself. If you're not taking the time to take care of yourself physically and mentally, it's going to affect other aspects of your life, especially the passion in your marriage. Make sure you're eating right and getting enough sleep and exercise, practicing habits that make you mentally healthy. Number 7, be flirty with your spouse before you get home. You might not be giving yourself enough time at home to create the proper mood for intimacy, so start early on in the day. Send your spouse flirty texts or plan dates beforehand where you know you want to have sex. The excitement will build throughout the day rather than trying to create that level of anticipation when you both come home. That's it! Those are our 7 tips for keeping the spark alive in your relationship. Passion in your relationship should never be something you sacrifice or put on the back burner. The emotional connection you and your spouse gain from passion in your marriage is beyond compare, but it begins by you being there mentally, emotionally, and physically. Remember how much your spouse loved you when you first got together and how much more they love you now, and never doubt that they want passion in your relationship. Make the commitment today to never let your spouse feel unloved or unattractive and to bring that passion back into your lives. And if you want to learn more about the different types of intimacy you should be focused on and get more advice about how to improve your intimacy, then you should check out Family Today's online course called Coupled. Developed and designed by family therapists, Coupled will give you powerful and proven methods for improving your marriage. For more details, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.